guys, starting very soon, I'm going to be doing Mac videos because I am, that's what I'm going to be doing now. And just on eBay today, I bid it on an eBay 300 Apple eMate, and it should be coming in the mail in about a few days. So I'm going to be doing. I might not get to the unboxing, but I'm definitely going to do a review on it and lots of videos connected to the internet. Because if you don't know, they have expansion drives on the side. Little slot for an expansion drive, where you can actually put your air card in and connect your e8 to the internet. So I'll be doing that, and yeah. And I have Quadra 650. I'm going to be doing some videos about that soon. And I just don't know where it is. It's somewhere in the attic. I have to find it. Yeah. So, what else? What else did I want to say? Oh yeah. The Newton I ordered, it's actually it's a full package. It's untouched. It's the full package. Like, it's in mint condition. It's never been touched. So it's all still in the box and everything. So it's something to really look forward to. I'll put the link of it in the description. There's 6 of them available. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.